The argument here is based on the First Amendment and specific sections of the Texas Penal Code. In the introduction of the lawsuit, it asks whether it's a crime to tweet or if it's protected under the First Amendment, though others say it can't be simplified like that. In May, Michelle Evans went to the Texas Capitol to watch the debate over Senate Bill 14, which is legislation on gender transitioning healthcare. That day did not go as she expected.
It's been sort of a cascading effect since that day.
In her lawsuit, Evans says she saw a woman she believed to be transgender in the women's restroom and later tweeted a photo taken of the same woman in the same restroom. Evans says she didn't take that photo, but saw it on Facebook. According to the documents, Evans was later confronted and questioned by the Texas Department of Public Safety troopers. She had to surrender her phone and was later told she's being investigated by DPS at the request of the Travis County District Attorney, Jose Garza.
There is a looming potential legal action being taken against me, which I think is unconstitutional, and there already has been unconstitutional legal action taken against me with regard to my property being seized without cause.
Section 21.15 of the Texas Penal Code, which relates to invasive visual recording, is also relevant to the conversation. In the lawsuit, Evans is alleging that subsections B, 2, and 3 are unconstitutional both on its face and as applied to her tweet. Those subsections say that a person commits an offense if, without the other person's consent and with intent to invade the privacy of the person photographs or by videotape or other electronic means, records, broadcasts, or transmits a visual image of another in a bathroom or changing room. CBS Austin reached out to the DA's office, but they were unable to provide a comment. So I asked Sanford Levinson, a law professor at the University of Texas, to weigh in.
It's way overbroad.
Levinson says Evans' argument is a tough one to make.
She's arguing that the DA doesn't have a choice, but that it would be unconstitutional for him to prosecute her. And, I don't see it. She clearly violated the law. And the fact that somebody else took the picture seems to be irrelevant the way it's written.
I asked Evans why she included the photo in her tweet.
What prompted the decision to tweet out the picture versus just describing the experience you had?
There is this overarching idea that these things don't happen and we're just afraid of a boogeyman, or it's just this idea that we conservative women or women, even liberal women that I know that are concerned about men being in their private spaces, we're just shouting into a void about something that's actually not a problem. It is a problem.
Evans says she still does not have her phone and plans to take the complaint as far as it needs to go legally. Jessica Taylor, CBS Austin News.